Hello students, today I am taking up that for 12th chapter 4, the last part of that one. Uh, the title is The Red Trap Seller, that I am taking as soon as they got up from the table. So after getting up from the table, he went around, means Red Trap Seller went around and said thank you and good night to everyone present there. The girl told him that the suit he wore was to be a Christmas present and he did not have to return it. So, that one. If he wanted to spend the next more time for the sake of Christmas Eve in peace, he would be welcomed back again. The man with the red trap did not answer. He only just now stared at the young girl, घूर करके young girl को देखा in a limitless amazement. So now that one he. The next morning, the Iron Master and his next morning, the Iron Master and the girl that got up early in the morning and went to church service. They drove back at about 10 o'clock. The young girl sat because there she had listened about the red trap seller as a thief and hung her head even more dejectedly than usual, means that which is more disappointedly. At church, she had heard about that an old crofter of the Iron Master that had, uh, which was used to be work, had been robbed by a man who went around seller as just selling the red traps. The Iron Master feared that the man that might have stolen many silver spoons from the cupboard. He just now asked from his private servants. As the wagon stopped at the front steps, the Iron Master asked the valet, means private assistant, about the stranger, whether he was there or went away. The valet told him that the stranger had left. He had not taken anything with him at all, but he had left a package for his eldest daughter named Miss Wilmanson as a Christmas gift. So now, on opening the package, she gave a little cry of joy. She found a small red trap, and in it lay their wrinkled 10 kroner notes. उसमें पैकेट में 10 kroner के 3 notes फंसे हुए थे. So there was a just now letter addressed to her, means Edla will mention the eldest daughter of Iron Master. He did not want her to be nervous by a thief, but act as a captain. He requested her to return the money to the old man from where stolen he had stolen that from him. So now he requested her, and the house was built on the roadside. Who had money pouch hanging on the window frame as a bait for the poor wanderers, जहाँ से उसने 30 kroners चुराए थे. Now, the rat trap was a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in this world's rat trap if he had not been raised to Captain von Stehl. That is because in that way he got power to clear himself, means to clear or remove his spot. So he has written with friendship and high regard, Captain von Stehl. To be continued next.